What's up guys? Right, today we have a challenge. Let's do this. So what we've got, I've got a list, you can't expect me to remember all this. We've got 450 shirts, 11 prints, 7 color changes, and filming this, which we all know takes a hell of a lot of time, and get that all done today. What I have done in the meantime, I have my piece of paper. What I've done over the last few days, I've prepped the artwork, printed and aligned the poppies, exposed the screens, washed them out, mixed all the different colors of ink that we have to use. The shirts have been sorted in all their different prints and colors, so we're ready to hit those prints onto the t-shirts. Let's do this. Okay, so the first print we're going to do is a pretty big oversized print. So being oversized, we're going to have to just adjust the palettes around a bit so that they fit correctly on the massive print we've got to print over there. Okay. Squeegees, ink, start printing. This is the last 5 of this colorway. Clean the screens down, do a color change quick. While the screen is drying, we will print the front of these t-shirts and then go on with the next print.
Let's get scratching.
That's 2 prints down. Okay, so I kind of had to stop there for a quick bit so I could get some layouts done for a customer we've been working on for quite a while, all a little bit top secret. I'm hoping I can talk about it soon. Hoping. It'll be really good if I can. It'll be awesome. But it did give me a break just to grab a coffee quick, get some energy levels going because we still got a lot to do and I gotta get on with this, although I'm gonna be here all night long. Let's get on with it. Okay, we can do this. No sleeping on the job. Let's get up. So the good thing about the print I'm doing right now is that there's 82 units for the front and 82 units for the back. So that does make a little bit of a longer run so that I don't have to do another color change between them. It does mean that there's still 164 prints to do for this one. I think in total I've still got about 430 prints to do. Okay, so we're just getting the dryer warmed up again and then get on with these prints. Get on with the front prints and then the 2 color back print, and then we've got 2 more prints to do, which is 1 style. The sound of 1 is better than 2. Okay, so on to the next stage. Okay, so I'm finally moving on to the last style, which is back print, front print, white print, change color, black print. So now we are so close, and I am so glad. done first, front and back, then onto the white, boom, done. This is officially the last colour change I have to do. Yes, I've still got to clean down the screen, but last colour change. One thing I've learned from this experience is not to do it again. I'm Mike, this is my t-shirt printers, and I am out of here.